Hey guys.
Hello.
Yeah, we're back with another video. We are right now gonna do some sniping with a machine gun that doesn't have any batteries in it, so it's short sniper. So our mission is to make it through this woods. You can't see the end; it ends all the way up there, but we're going from there to here. We gotta make it out without being shot. The sniper has 2 minutes to find a good sniping position. Then, yeah, the guy goes if he's ready or not. And yeah, one shot, you're dead anywhere. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay guys. Okay, here we are. So we're right here, guys. Oh my god, perfect view. I don't know, I hope you guys can see. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I've been here once, so I probably won't. No, I'm gonna be here again. There he is, he's coming. Just aim right at the trail so I can shoot him right up the trail. Ah, dang it. You hit my helmet. They hit me? Yeah. Alright. So, that went down quick. Let's see if we can find a spot. There can be. Okay guys, so I just shot him. It's pretty easy. I like those spots. They're nice. Just don't cover your back. If you're ever in one of those spots, make sure you got a man covering your back. Because if not, it's not gonna be so fun. I don't think so. There he is. Get across. Ow, my finger.
I got you.
Oh, shoot.
Did I get you?
Hit.
Sorry. Said I'll shoot, but I didn't know if it was a stick or something else. I think I fired too early. Did you see me before I shot?
No.
Dang it. Thought you did because you stopped.
What?
I thought you did because you stopped.
Nope.
So I fired way too early and then you knew where I was. Dang it!
Run. And since I already made it once and he hasn't made it at all, think I'm gonna do something I've never done. It's called run like heck, straight through it. I don't even care if he shoots me, I'm just gonna run straight through like a madman. I know these trails like the back of my hand, so we'll just see how it goes. Probably not gonna be good at all, but yeah, let's hope it's good enough not to get me shot, because I don't want to get shot. Okay, here we go. We got 1 minute left. I hope he hides across the creek, because it'll make it easier for me to survive. Oh, let him come in. I hope he can't shoot me. Alright guys, I'm gonna wait till I get a little closer to do it. Straight up. I don't see him. Get ready to run. Get ready to run. Ready guys, it's gonna hurt. Good. Ready? 3, 2, go. That's crazy. Drop the GoPro. See, where the heck is he? I didn't even see him that whole time, guys. It's craziness. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed.
Yeah, it was a fun one, kind of, for the most part.
So, guys, if you want to see more of that kind of stuff, please tell us in the comments, and
Like it.
yeah, like the video. If you are not already subscribed, please subscribe, and stay safe. You know, these last few bits of quarantine, I hope.
Yeah. So yeah, please like, subscribe, give us some feedback on everything, because we need feedback. And yeah, so see you in the next video.
Bye!